Hey everyone, I'm Brian from iKeyless, and this is a transponder key that works with a variety of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Mitsubishi vehicles. This durable key is a circular shaped design and comes with the required transponder in it, so you know it'll work with your vehicle. Just remember to check the compatibility table on this page to make sure the key works in your car, truck, van, or SUV. If you have any questions, our industry-leading customer support team is here for you. Don't forget, we offer hassle-free returns for your convenience. iKeyless offers replacement transponder keys at a huge savings over dealership prices. With prices this low, you can have spares for other drivers or get extras just in case. Remember, all vehicles can have up to 4 keys. No matter what you need when it comes to replacement keys and remotes, choose from the best selection on the web at the internet's first and still the best online retailer of automotive keys and keyless entry remotes, iKeyless.com.